Hello everyone, welcome to week 5 of BCOM 3113. I just wanted to record this update video. It's a little bit late, so I apologize for that. Also not in my usual confines of my office, but just the way that my schedule worked out this week. So just want to remind you, right, this week we're focusing on individual work. Let's just take a look at the outline and make sure that we're all on the same page of what we're supposed to be doing. So again, if we download the outline on Brightspace, we can see we're continuing Chapter 5 material. I've got lecture videos. Again, this is material that some of us might find difficult and or dry. Guarantee you, though, if you can try your best to lock onto, one or two things, these are concrete things that can make you a more effective written communicator, which is the whole key and the whole point of this class, right? So try to approach it with an open mind as best you can. There's also a quiz. Now, the difference between a quiz and the exams that we've had, the quizzes are just on Connect, and they are not open book. You only get one shot at it. So reading and watching the lecture videos is going to be key for your success there. Also, there's a separate homework assignment for Chapter 5, if you see here. That is, both the quiz and the homework assignment are due this coming Sunday, February 18th. And then, as always, do not forget the grammar exercises, right? The due date is coming in a few weeks, and it takes a long time to do. I logged on earlier and noticed that a lot of people in this class, the majority of people in this class, have not completed it, and there's a huge portion of people that haven't even started. So that's an all or nothing deal, right? You either get 100 points or you get 0. So please, please, please get started on it if you haven't. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, get to work and have a good week.